got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.
Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. I'm having some girlfriends over this weekend, so I need to do a super deep clean of my downstairs. So get ready to clean with me, and we're gonna give you some extreme deep cleaning motivation in today's video. Welcome back to a new cleaning video. I encourage you to get up and deep clean with me as you watch this video. We're gonna start in my family room today, where I wanted to take down my Easter decor. I'm still going to leave the spring decor up though, but get ready, a summer decorate with me video will be coming soon. I'll probably decorate Memorial Day weekend, but I just wanted to do a good deep clean of the downstairs because we've had so many parties and projects in our house lately. I just wanted everything to be nice and clean for when some girlfriends were coming over. So I wanted to vacuum the couch and see those nice vacuum lines because those are my absolute favorite. And I put up my new fracture glass prints too. Fracture prints would make the best Mother's Day gift. They have a ton of sizes. The one on the shelves of the kids are 10 by 14, and the one of our family is a 15 by 20. But it is so easy to upload your photo, make your own fracture print. It comes with everything that you need to hang them on your wall, or you can get photo stands for $3 to $4, and everything is handcrafted in the USA. There's also a 60-day happiness guarantee, and fracture will keep working until any issue is right. And then these were some of the other 5x5, and this one's a 4x6 that I got as gifts. And then I wanted to give each of the grandmas the picture of Landon and Presley for Mother's Day. But I love these fracture prints. They're so bright and crisp. The quality is amazing. And it's just so cool to capture these moments in time of Landon and Presley's personality and with our family. So I will have a link in my description box below. Please use my link and use the code Brianna25 so you can get 25% off your fracture purchase. And now I wanted to wipe down all the windows before tackling the floors. And I'm gonna vacuum everything, then mop the hard surfaces. And I used an almond scented squirt and mop cleaner, and it smelled amazing.
Make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you
Moving along to the kitchen, Landon and Presley had just woken up from their naps, and they were fighting over some of the Easter eggs that were in the decor boxes that I was putting those Easter decorations into, but I needed to do a good declutter of the kitchen before I wiped down the table and the center island. And part of this deep clean, I wanted to wipe down all of the exteriors of my cabinets as well. It just makes the kitchen smell amazing. So I added some honeysuckle multi-surface spray to really hot water. That's why I'm wearing gloves, and I used a microfiber cloth to wipe them all down. And you can see Presley was my little inspector, making sure that I didn't miss any spots.
You understand, we were made to fall in love. Give me what I ask, let me hold your hand. Baby, you just have to know. You got me around your finger, got me in a twisted state of life, but I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside out, but I can never give it up. Do it again, do it again.
Presley was so sweet. She even came over to give me kisses and told me good job. She's seriously the sweetest little girl. But next, I'm using my mint glass cleaner to wipe down my fridge. And Adam's my hero. He decided to take the kids outside while I finished cleaning, and it was time to wipe down all of the backsplash and the counters, which I'm so excited to share. We're going to be doing a little kitchen makeover in here. If you're not following me on Instagram, I shared what the new backsplash is going to look like. I cannot wait. It should be done sometime next month, so I will be sharing that with you on here, so make sure your bell notifications are turned on so you know when I post the kitchen makeover reveal video. Next, I wiped out the microwave and cleaned the stovetop, and I used the same mint glass cleaner for the stainless steel surfaces to keep them nice and fingerprint free. I don't know if anyone else has kids that just love to get their fingerprints all over the place. I know I will miss cleaning them one day. I know that for sure. But next, I'm using the same cleaner to do all of the windows in the kitchen. Time to get some dishes put into the dishwasher, and then I'm doing a deep clean of the kitchen sink. I use a surface scrub powder mixed with dish soap, then I use a wet walnut scrubber sponge, and I rub in a circular motion so that the sink is sparkling clean by the time I'm done. And as I rinse it, I will always run the disposal, and it makes it smell super nice and clean.
We got something magical, pretending that nobody knows, trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical, think that I'm gonna explode, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come me. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you.
And finally in here, doing a sweep of the kitchen floors, followed by a mop.
Now I feel left to figure out your music and all of my noise, color in all of my songs, makes me wanna the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances go me. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the heart. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. If you're ready, so am I. Diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, if you're ready, if you're ready, so am I. Diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild.
Moving on to our powder room on the first floor, I'm cleaning the mirror, disinfecting the handles, the countertop and sink basin, wiping down the vanity, and then cleaning the toilet so that everything is nice and clean for when guests come over.
You had me at hello.
And in the kids' room on the first floor, Presley has a new toy with sand in it that is just always on our floor in here. So I swept that up first so that I didn't track more of it around the room. And I wiped down all of the surfaces with multi-surface spray, finished vacuuming, and then mopped the hard surfaces in here too.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high.
I hope that you enjoyed this cleaning video today. I've got more cleaning videos, decorating videos, and some exciting closet makeovers and the kitchen makeover that will be coming up on my channel soon. So make sure you're subscribed and have your bell notifications turned on so that you don't miss anything. But truly, thank you so much for watching and for being here. I hope that you have an amazing day and that you got the cleaning motivation that you need to tackle your to-do list and make your space an amazing place to call home. Bye, loves.